Let's fix this old jewelry box. You can see it's all messed up. First, I am applying glue to get the interior fixed. There! All neat and tidy. Now I'm applying white color to the exterior. Let it dry. Add more layers if necessary. Now I'll apply paper tape on the sides. I'm applying white color on the sides to keep the painting smooth at the edges. I started with blue and keep adding some white as I go to the other side. Adding dark green. Mixing some white and yellow for highlights. Now I'm applying brown for the ground. Adding some bright yellow for highlighting trees. Some black to add depth. Some yellow and orange for highlights. Now I'm painting a Jeep. All done! Let me know if you like the video.